How are you feeling today? Do you feel well? If you didn't feel well, you should take some medicine or go to a doctor for some advice. Here are some people with health problems. Let's see what's wrong with them. This man doesn't look well. What's wrong with you?
I've got a fever and a headache and a general feeling of weakness. Maybe I've got flu.
Here's someone else feeling ill. What's wrong with her? Is she sick? She's got a bad cough. What about this man? Is he in pain? Yes, he is. He's got a terrible backache. It's very painful. And what's wrong with this little boy?
I've had too much pizza. Now my stomach really hurts. I've got a bad stomachache.
What about this man who's holding his throat? Is it painful?
Ow! Oh. Yes, it certainly is. I have a sore throat and I can hardly speak.
What have we here? This little girl looks sad. What's the matter?
I fell over and now I have this bruise on my knee. It really hurts.
This is the little girl's mother. She's holding her head. I think she has a headache. Perhaps she ought to lie down and maybe take an aspirin. Oh dear, the little girl's granny doesn't look too happy either. What's the matter? I have a temperature. What about this little boy? Are you okay?
No, I have a bad earache. It's very painful.
And here's Grandpa. Oh no, he looks ill too. How are you, Grandpa?
I have a bad cold. I keep sneezing and having to blow my nose.
Have you taken anything?
No, not yet. I think I'd better wait and see if it gets worse.